All right, this is the computer desk I was talking about. Hopefully I can build it from here. I don't really need anything else. Looking at this instructions, it says tools required, and I suppose that's a hammer. And I suppose that's a screw, but what else is this? I was hoping it would come, that tools would come with it in the box. Don't know why I was thinking that, but yeah, let's make a trip. So let me explain what's going on as I walk. I was homeless, but what has recently happened is a text from my mom asking if I was okay. And I said, yeah, just trying to find a new place. And then she said that I could stay with her until I find a new place. You know, I didn't mention what happened to my boyfriend. I didn't mention that I didn't have like a place to go right now. I didn't have a place at the moment. But, you know, I'm pretty sure she suspected something because today I realized that my mom habitually opens the blinds every morning. And I suppose when she opened the blinds one morning and saw the piece of luggage I left there, I guess she put two and two together, realized something was up. She hasn't pressed to know the details, but basically I am living back with her until I have the means to live on my own again. You guys look, $48 chair. That's exactly what I need, you know? And there's only one left. That's scary. If I complete building this desk today and the Walmart's still open, I'll go down there and buy the chair. Guys, so I finished building the desk. I did it all by myself. The instructions were easy enough. I felt when I first had, I was like, there's no way I could put this together, but look at that. Look at that, I did it. And now it's about getting it upstairs to where I want it. And you're probably wondering, why did I build it upstairs already? Because my mom was sleeping up there. I didn't want to make any noise. So, I don't know, I'll get it up there. I'll figure it out. Oh, hey, it's early in the morning. Yeah, I managed to get it up here. It was kind of interesting. I was sort of like in a panic at the end of the stairs thinking, how the hell am I going to get this up? And then, you know, for those who have ADHD, is this thing where you just have this rush of energy. And I was just losing my mind, listening to music, dancing around. And then at one moment, my eyes fell on the table again. I was like, oh yeah, I have to take this up. I just took it up. I don't know, like after being anxious about how I get up there without breaking, I just grabbed it and went up with it without thinking. So the impulsiveness symptom of ADHD was what helped me get it up here. Mission accomplished. And then I'm gonna go, I said before, if I finish it in one day, I'm gonna go buy the chair, right? And that's exactly what I'm going to do, because I did finish it in one day. Yay me. So last time I was here, this was the only available option, right? Which is unfortunate given the price, but thank goodness I waited a day because look, they restocked on these versions, which is, I think its size is more compatible with what I have. And look at the price. That's fantastic. All right, I'm back. And right in front of me is the box. Let's get this baby opened. Damn. that easy. Whee! Oh damn, never mind. Never mind. Are you not open? Okay, so it's okay. Whee! Yay! Okay. Yeah. Alright, let's put this together. Oi, I did it. I put it together. Alright, let's move it. Perfection.